Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and I have got Lookfantastic and Shiseido. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. Shiseido is known for innovation, research and results, and inside this box contains 6 skincare treats that will give you a start to finish regime. The cost of this box is £79 and it has a value of £212. If you are a subscriber to Lookfantastic's monthly beauty box, then you will have a subscriber discount of £5. You will receive an email with a link that you click through, which will automatically give you £5 discount. If you are interested in receiving a £5 discount and you're not already a subscriber, then there is a code that you can add at checkout which will entitle you to sign up for a subscription and also receive this box at a discount. All links and everything related to this box, including Lookfantastic's monthly subscription box, I'll pop down in my description. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. For you to click that would bring up my description and there'll be lots and lots of information down there. So let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. Inside you'll receive a little booklet, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, and also it introduces you to the brand, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. And this is what it looks like, and it's set out very much like a advent calendar. It's all numbered, as you can see. I'm a newbie to this range, so I can't wait to learn a little bit more about what each product does. I'll just read a little bit of information here. It says 149 years of Japanese beauty innovation, 2,881 international patents, 8 R&D centres, over 1,000 researchers across the globe, powerful ingredients, groundbreaking formulas, performance-driven skincare and makeup with proven results. So number 1 in the box is a clarifying cleansing foam. It says contains white clay to remove pollution particles from your skin alongside mineral-rich water from Japan's Kirishima Spring for super soft, clean skin. Top tip, you only need a pea-sized amount. Make sure you add a little warm water and lather in circular motions. Got little worms in there, and this is what it looks like. Resist stress, prevents problems, reveal your skin at its best today and every day. It's 125 mils. I told myself I am not going to be trying any of these products out because I've got quite a lot of skincare products on the go at the moment, and this box is kind of gifted to me from Lookfantastic for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Now, as this is a new skincare range for me to try, the plan was to show you, put it to the side for now, carry on using what I'm already using and then start it, instead of like at the moment I'm using this from this brand, that from that brand, etc., which is completely and utterly fine. But I do like, especially if there's a start to finish regime, I do like trying all the products all together. Oh, smell is absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very subtle. Oh, it's lovely. This is the only one I'm going to be trying because I want to keep it unopened and fresh. So then when I get a chance to try it all together, I will. So that's step 1. Step 2, and this is a skin refining exfoliating polish with soy ingredients. The gentle texture clears the complexion and leaves your skin silky and smooth. Top tip on the back here, after cleansing, massage over damp skin and rinse thoroughly with water. What it looks like there. Ooh. Soft and cushy polisher. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? Soft and cushy. That's what it looks like there. Just realised all the information that are on the outside boxes of these products are also written in here, so there's no point me referring to this as it doesn't give me any extra information except for the price. So this skin exfoliating polish is worth £26. Next we've got a treatment softener. We don't tone, we soften. Double the hydration, improve the texture and kickstart anti-aging in one product. And top tip, no need for cotton. Take 2 pumps in the palm of your hand and apply directly onto your face. It's a treatment softener for normal and combination oily skins. And there's 75 mils there. So this treatment softener is a travel size and the full size is worth £49. Next we've got the Ultimate Skin Serum. Strengthen your skin against pollution, aging and even stress with Shiseido's Global Hero, 25 years in the making. Top tip, pump twice and apply in a lifting motion for instant radiance day and night. And it's 30 mils here. It's the outside packaging. It says discover how you can keep generating inner skin defences even when you're in a harsh environment. Immunogeneration technology uses potent natural extracts to encourage skin's ability to defend its own ideal condition, define concerns now and over time. This packaging is gorgeous. This is really lovely. I have actually received a little mini of this before. This is full size and it has a retail value of £69, which is really, really close to the actual cost of the box, isn't it? So there's that. Number 5, we got a Bio Performance Glow Revival Eye Treatment. Depuff, brighten, repair and glow with this targeted eye treatment for a visible difference in 1 month. Top tip, the Casa Massage Applicator acts as a daily ritual around the eye. Take a pearl size amount and use day and night. Oh, that sounds really interesting. Okay, that's the outer packaging. There's 15 mils there. A nice rounded tip, so you're able to massage that easily underneath your eyes. A multifunctional eye specialist cream that focuses on the role of capillaries in creating fully glowing skin. By enhancing skin's micro-intensive power, it resolves the appearance of dark circles, dullness, uneven skin tone, puffiness and wrinkles for a deeply moisturised and vibrant look. This is full size and to buy it would cost you £48. And lastly, number 6, we've got a Benifience Wrinkle Smoothing Cream, charged with hyaluronic acid to plump skin from within and visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles in just 2 weeks. Top tip, place on both cheeks, forehead, nose and chin, gently smooth from the centre of the face outwards using 4 fingers. Got 15 mils here. Got a little pot there. It just smells just nice and clean. Fresh. So this is a little sample mini and to buy the full size it will cost you £75. So those are all the products in the box. I'm just going to gather them all up. So starting from number 1 in the box, we've got a clarifying cleansing foam. Number 2, we've got a skin polisher. Number 3, we've got a treatment softener. Number 4, we've got a power infused concentrate. Number 5, we've got a Glow Revival eye treatment. And lastly, number 6, we've got a Benifience Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. So the cost of the box is £79 unless you are a subscriber, which you will have a £5 discount. And the value of this box comes at £212. There's some really, really lovely products in there. As I said at the start, I am very new to this brand. This gives me a really good chance to try the products for myself. The more products I try, the more information I can give back to you. So that's what I'm missing in this video, because normally I've tried a few of the products and it's like I can give you my thoughts on the product, but bear with me if we ever receive a Shiseido product in any other beauty boxes in the future, then hopefully I'll be able to give you some personal information about the products. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your thoughts on this box. Have you bought it for yourself? Have you bought it for a gift, like a Christmas gift or whatever, for anyone? Or are you watching this thinking, nah, it's not for me? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.